Are you interested in having a positive impact on people's lives? Want to see your communities thriving? Keen to make a difference in Aotearoa? With Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and our Ngā Poutoko Whakarara Oranga program, you could be on your way to making a vital contribution to the wellbeing of our society. This 4-year degree covers essential learning modules that will give you the knowledge, tools and confidence to effectively navigate policy and practice. From research methodologies to legislation, human development to human rights, you will gain a foundation that prepares you for a variety of careers including child protection, health, justice, welfare and social services. This full-time 4-year degree is delivered through a mixture of in-class teaching, tutorials and through collaborative working environments and our regular wānanga. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we want you to succeed, which is why we offer a range of free services to our students, including student support, program support, online tools, and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.